Dragon's Toy Adventure!
Okay, so we're going to build a super cool fast track for your monster trucks, yeah? Alright, how are we going to build it, buddy? He's not a monster truck. Okay, let's put these out, yeah? You grab it?
Sand.
Is it? Like that.
Dirty sand.
Dirty sand. Hit! Hey, muscles!
Is it?
Oh no, it was raining, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Try and get them down this track, is that the plan?
What was that thing hurt in my head yesterday?
Well, it was hailing, wasn't it? Okay, let's see if we can get your fastest monster trucks. Oh, look at how many you've got. That's cool. Will you stop ruining my sound on my lawn? Race Ace. Okay, game 2. Not bad. Should we see which one goes the furthest? That might be the best way. And then you'll know which one's your fastest monster truck. So leave that one there. And then we can see which one goes the furthest, yeah? Okay.
Your favourite one.
Spider-Man! Okay. Whoa! He got really far. So he was here, so he can go there to show us how far he went. Who's next? Whiplash! Alright, ready. Can he beat Spider-Man? He marks. No, he crashed! Oh. Who's next? Who's next?
Avenger!
Yeah? We're going to see which one's fastest then. Who's going to go the furthest, bud? Whoa, no! Nothing's as fast as Spider-Man yet.
The dragon we see from Harry Potter World.
Dragonoid.
Yeah,
Go on
it's
then.
from Harry Potter.
Right, ready when you are. I'm steady.
Go.
Oh no! Yeah?
Oh, Snowy one.
Who's that?
Snowy.
It's Mohawk Warrior.
Snowy Mohawk Warrior.
Cool.
The Snowy wheels.
Yeah? Can he beat Spider-Man though? That's the thing.
Yeah.
Ready? Oh no! Did he beat Whiplash though? Yeah, he's ahead of Whiplash. That's cool.
Dragon dirty.
Dragon with the dirty wheels. Let's see. Nice.
We can also let the dragon not have the dirt on it.
He's in the lead! Whoa! He got the furthest, mate. Look how far ahead he got of Spider-Man.
Oh yeah.
That's really good. Iron Man. Okay, go on then. Can Iron Man beat Dragon? Oh, he crashed into Whiplash. That's cool. Who's next, buddy? Snake bite. Go on then.
I'm climbing on the steps.
Yeah? Ready?
Go.
Oh no! He's definitely the slowest. Look at that. Definitely the slowest. Oh, so many. Who's that?
Venom.
Oh, Venom. He might go after Spider-Man. What do you think? Is he going to race him? I'm ready. Steady. Oh no! He beat Whiplash though. Yeah, that's cool. What's that? Who's that? Dream Crusher. Okay. What?
I almost looks like that, but he wanted to be in this monster truck.
Did he?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? But is he ahead? No! Dragon's still in the lead. That's close though. He beat Spider-Man though. Who's that?
Avenger.
Ah, son of a digger, isn't it?
Yeah!
Haha. I'm ready.
He lives in the graveyard.
Yeah? Oh no! He fell off the track. Got pretty far though. So, got our top 3 so far.
Yeah.
Dragon, Spider-Man and Dream Crusher. Who's next? What did... A Mini? Mini El Toro Loco. Alright. He got pretty far. He didn't come last. Rosie the Dalmatian. Monster man. Alright, I'm ready.
I got Rosie for Christmas.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Not bad, but he didn't beat Spider-Man. It's pretty cool though. I like this track. Get him out of here. Yeah, you go in there, you. Who's that? Scalosaurus.
Yeah.
Gore. Okay.
He's the bad one.
Is he?
Yeah. He steals the treasure.
Oh, pretty good, but he didn't beat Race Ace. Mega? Mega Rex!
He's sick all over you.
Ah, not bad. Not bad racing. Who got next?
Gunky.
Gangster!
Gunky.
Gunky. Gunky the Gangster. Marks. Get set. Oh! He's ahead of Dream Crusher. But not Dragon! That was close.
This one. This one.
Big Rig.
Yeah.
Oh, he's heavy. Do you think he will get in the lead?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? No! Ah, that's close. He's just behind Spider-Man. Who's next? Would you get that off the track? Got pretty far though. Who's next?
Let's get the sand.
Yep. Who are we going for?
Superman.
Superman. I didn't know we had Superman.
Superman.
Oh yeah, you do. Alright, cool. Superman it is.
I got it from this.
Another Christmas one, huh? Alright, ready? Oh, I've crashed into Mega Rex. Alright. Who's next, bud? You get that tractor out of here. Who's that?
Yoni.
Who's he?
I don't know.
Rambling Wrecker.
Yoni.
Ready? Ready? No way! Rambling Wrecker's in the lead, Theodore.
I know.
Wow!
That's good.
He's in the lead.
Yoni.
Fast van. Or was it Fastro van?
Faster than.
Yeah?
He's the biggest one, so you must win.
Yeah? Okay. Oh no! He beat Big Rig though. And Spider-Man. But not ahead of these two. Oh, Megalodon.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat you. No, 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 no.
Oh no. What a crash. Look at this sand on the track. Who's next? Horsepower! Ready? Steady! Whoa! You see the slide? Who we got? Captain America
With a flag.
with a flag. Okay. Pretty good, but he didn't beat Horsepower though.
Oh, that is the one.
Yeah. Max D. Okay, I'm ready when you are. Whoa, what a crash!
Do you know, I have sand in my stadium.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so this is like your outside stadium then.
Yeah, one inside on my birthday and one outside.
Who's next? Who's that? Oh, I've got another digger. Three diggertrons. Oh yeah.
The king of the night. I know.
You ready? Are you steady? Oh no, he was the slowest. Wow.
I'm gonna eat you.
Oh, piranha.
No. Ah, no.
Piranha it is. Whoa, pretty good. But he didn't beat Fastrovan. Oh yeah, Thunderorus. Thunderorus. Are you ready?
He's the arms can move.
Oh yeah. That's really cool. Ready? Oh, what the? What happened to you? You didn't fancy going down the track, that one.
This is a Hot Wheel Munch Truck one.
Twin mill.
There's a Hot Wheel one and a Munch Truck one.
Yeah. Okay. Are you set?
Go.
Oh, what a crash. You beat Iron Man though. Theodore, you've got too many. We're going to have to speed it up. 2 by 2. Oh. Oh yeah. Fire alarm and Megalodon. Are you set? Oh, they crash into each other. I have an idea, Theodore. Right. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to put them in here, then you're going to have the box next to you, and then you're going to go crazy with them, like a demo derby. Yeah? Go on, pop them in. Yeah. Quick.
And send of the digger.
Okay. Right. Speed up time. Whoa! Let's keep going, Theodore, as fast as you can. Fast as you can, Theodore.
Donkey Kong and Double Dub.
Donkey Kong and Demo Derby. Let's go! Ooh, not bad. Demo Derby got far. Donkey Kong, what? Quick, Theodore, quick, more! The faster, the better.
Bone shaker.
Sweet. Let's go. Ah, you dropped Bone Shaker. Let's go racing! Look how how far he went. He is in 4th. That's not bad. That was pretty good. Who's next, Theodore? Oh, he went down. Double fire alarm. Okay.
There must be a fire.
Yeah. Oh no, they crashed. Keep going, Theodore. Keep going. Bone shaker and batitude. Oh no, they crashed.
Son of the digger and Rhino.
Yeah. Let's go, buddy. Son of a digger, Rhinomite. Let's go. Oh, he got so far. Still not in it. Pretty good. The toilet one. Oh, golden gangster this one is. Let's go. Oh, it's got to go. Ready?
No.
Oh no, they crashed. Yeah.
And dragon.
Another dragon. Do you think he'll get to the front like the other one? Versus Night Storm. Go. No. Got pretty far though. I'll give him that. Dragon. No. Who are we going for? Ooh, haul y'all. All right. Ready? Are you steady? Let's go racing. Ooh, haul y'all got far. Doop. So many monster trucks. Golden Bigfoot. Oh, they keep crashing over there. God, a Bigfoot goes there. I don't think they're going to catch him. We've not got many trucks left. Poddy Central, Northern Nightmares. Ready? Steady. Let's go racing. Look at that. Pretty far. Still not in the lead. Barbie and Rhinomite. Okay. Any marks? Get set.
Go.
Whoa! Theodore! He's in the lead!
Yeah, no.
Look at that, Rhinomite! Barbie got pretty far as well, to be fair. Who we got?
Horsepower versus
Thunderosaurus. Go! Oh, that Thunderosaurus got pretty far. Beat Barbie. Zombie. Come on, faster, faster. Shark wreck. Any marks? Oh, they crashed. They crashed. Yeah? Do 3. Oh my gosh. Mohawk, Tyrannosaurus, Skunkster, and Flimmer Shaker. This is going to be chaos. Chaos, Theodore.
Yeah, no.
Are you ready? You said eh? Oh! Tyrannosaurus got pretty far though. No, they're not making it. Someone's going to have to beat Rhinomite. Oh, that was good. Ah, they crashed. Get rid of that tractor. Who we got left? Not many now, Theodore. Go, go, go. Tiger shark. Bigfoot and Bigfoot. Double Bigfoot. Let's do this. No, he crashed.
Oh, Daddy, your favourite one.
Hot diggity dog. Tag shot. Oh no. No. Oh yeah, like that one, and a Hot Wheels. Well, they got pretty far. The last two, who's the last two?
Fired up.
All fired up.
And
Hot Wheels.
Bigfoot.
Okay.
Different Bigfoot.
No!
Oh, empty.
You're done! So who's the winner? Who's the winner?
It's cool.
That's your top three. So, Rhinomite, winner. We've got Rambling Wrecker, second. And Dragon, third. That was so cool, wasn't it, Theodore? Cool. Alright, we'll see you next one then. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
They have McDonald's now.
Haha, McDonald's. Let's go.